welcome back to the Autoland, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles, cars, and everything in between. If you love classic designs with modern engineering, then today's video is going to blow your mind. We're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air vintage pickup, a ride that blends nostalgia with cutting-edge performance. So, sit back, relax, and let's take a journey through time and technology. The name Bel Air is legendary in the world of automobiles. When Chevrolet first introduced the Bel Air in 1950, it quickly became a symbol of style, luxury, and performance. Over the years, it evolved into one of the most iconic classic cars ever produced. But what if Chevrolet decided to bring it back in a completely unexpected way? Imagine a pickup truck that carries the timeless charm of the Bel Air but with the power and innovation of the 21st century. That's exactly what the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air vintage pickup is all about. Let's start with the design. Chevrolet knew they had to get this right. The Bel Air vintage pickup isn't just another retro-inspired vehicle, it's a full-fledged tribute to the golden era of American automobiles. The front end immediately takes you back to the 1950s with its bold chrome grille, round headlights, and a signature Chevrolet hood ornament. The designers have carefully blended classic lines with modern aerodynamics, making sure this truck isn't just for show, but also for the road. One of the standout features is the two-tone paint scheme. Just like the original Bel Air, this pickup comes in stunning color combinations that scream vintage class. The chrome trim runs along the body, separating the upper and lower paint sections, giving it that unmistakable 1950s look. Even the white wall tires make a return, adding to the old-school charm. But don't let the classic exterior fool you. Under the hood, this truck is all about modern power. Chevrolet has equipped the 2026 Bel Air vintage pickup with a range of engine options to cater to different types of drivers. For those who love raw power, there's a 6.2-liter V8 engine pushing out over 450 horsepower. This engine pays homage to the muscle car heritage of Chevrolet while delivering impressive torque for hauling and towing. If you're looking for something more efficient, Chevrolet also offers a hybrid powertrain. This combines a 3.6-liter V6 engine with an electric motor, providing a balance between power and fuel efficiency. But the real surprise comes with the all-electric version. Yes, you heard that right, a Chevrolet is offering an EV variant of the Bel Air vintage pickup. It features a dual-motor setup delivering instant torque and a range of over 300 miles on a single charge. Let's talk interior. Inside the cabin, Chevrolet has masterfully blended retro aesthetics with modern technology. The dashboard features a classic analog-style speedometer, but right next to it, you'll find a large digital infotainment screen. This display provides access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls, all wrapped in an interface that mimics the vintage design of the 1950s. The steering wheel is a work of art, featuring the classic Chevrolet emblem in the center and a thin-rimmed design reminiscent of the original Bel Air. However, it's equipped with all the modern controls, including voice commands and adaptive cruise control settings. The seats are wrapped in high-quality leather with stitching patterns inspired by the past. Even the door panels feature chrome accents and retro-style buttons, making sure every inch of the interior stays true to the Bel Air's legacy. But comfort isn't sacrificed for style. The truck offers heated and ventilated seats, a premium Bose sound system, and a panoramic sunroof for an open-air experience. Chevrolet has also packed this pickup with modern safety and driver assist technologies. It comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and even a self-parking feature. While it may look like a blast from the past, the 2026 Bel Air vintage pickup is one of the safest and smartest vehicles on the road. Now, let's talk about practicality. The bed of the truck is designed with both function and style in mind. It features a wooden bed floor, just like classic pickups from the past, but reinforced with modern materials to ensure durability. The tailgate has a multifunction design, allowing for easier loading and access. Chevrolet has even added hidden storage compartments, making sure you have plenty of space for tools, gear, or anything else you need to carry. Driving the Bel Air vintage pickup is an experience like no other. The suspension system is tuned for a smooth ride, Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling a countryside road, thanks to Chevrolet's latest adaptive suspension technology, the truck can adjust to different driving conditions, ensuring both comfort and performance. Another cool feature is the Classic Drive mode. When activated, this setting adjusts the throttle response, shifts, and even the exhaust note to mimic the driving feel of a 1950s Bel Air. It's a perfect way to relive the past while enjoying modern reliability. The 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air vintage pickup is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's for those who appreciate history but don't want to compromise on performance and technology. Whether you're a collector, a classic car enthusiast, or just someone who loves unique trucks, this pickup offers something special. Of course, a vehicle like this doesn't come cheap. While Chevrolet hasn't officially revealed the pricing, industry experts estimate the base model to start around $60,000, with higher trims and special editions reaching up to $90,000. However, considering its unique blend of vintage style and modern engineering, it's worth every penny. So, what do you think about the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air vintage pickup? Would you take it for a spin? Or do you think Chevrolet should have left the Bel Air legacy untouched? Let us know in the comments below. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air vintage pickup, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We bring you the best reviews, insights, and updates on motorcycles, cars, and everything in between. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, ride smart, and keep the passion alive.